To transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay, you need to have both a Venmo account and an Apple Pay account set up on your device. Start by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. Tap on the menu icon and select Transfer to Bank. Choose the account you want to transfer funds to. In this case, you will select Add Bank or Card and then choose Other. You will need to add your Apple Pay card to Venmo. To do this, go to the Apple Wallet app and locate the card you want to use. Then tap on the More icon and select Share Contact and copy the card information. Go back to the Venmo app and enter the card information you just copied. Once you have added your Apple Pay card to Venmo, you can initiate the transfer by selecting the card and entering the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. The funds should be available in your Apple Pay account within a few business days, depending on the type of transfer you choose. It is essential to note that you may be charged a small fee for instant transfers, while standard transfers are free but take longer to process. Also, be aware of the transfer limits set by Venmo and your bank to avoid any issues with your transaction. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay and have access to your funds using your Apple device. This method is convenient and straightforward, allowing you to manage your finances efficiently and make payments using your Apple Pay account.